Time to go.
Yo, look at our islands. We're stacked, bro.
We are.
I don't know what's about to fucking hit him. Level 22, 35 minutes in. We're basically speedrunning this.
Yeah. We probably took like an hour or something when it's added up.
We're in there for a bit.
Yeah.
How long have we been playing now? Well, this person has been about an hour.
Help! I'm stuck in there! How do you even get in this position? Oh, am I actually stuck?
Well, let's go into the cutscene. Let's see what happens.
No, please! I can't get out!
Ryan?
How did I get stuck here?
Ryan?
It's not internet! Then we both have to get inside.
You can leave and just rejoin, right?
I don't know.
Look, search that up. Pretty please. What the fuck did you? Oh my god! What the hell did you even do? Up into, bruh. I was stuck mid-air. Yo, what's the weather up there like? Huh? What's the weather up there like? What's the weather up there like?
What? I fell down! I fell.
What the fuck?
I don't know what happened.
Out.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I've never. It's two Mithril seas. I don't know how you pronounce it.
Damn! Don't gotta fucking. Let's go. Timers.
Wait, what? Why long?
Yeah, there is. Oh my god, there was my. Is that my last one? Yeah, I think it's my last one. I died. He spawns during your phase, I think.
Oh. Wow, okay. That just a shockwave did that much damage to me. Holy shit.
I got my equipment on! Oh.
Who's going after me?
Watch this scrap. I'm gonna hit him in the air. Aw.
I can't even fall out of the stage.
Yeah. I literally cannot hit those fucking chimeras.
Why are you so high up? Get the fuck down here, bro. You do not need to be all over there. Fucking dude skyboxing.
Oh yeah.
Great.
Oh, that is a lot of them.
Where I killed like all. Wow. Okay. That's. I like this part. I like this music a lot.
They're stuck in that.
No.
Yo, it's like that time we fucking forced him.
Yeah, we just kept freezing him over and over.
Oh my god. I was like, I'm alive.
Oh shit! Watch out! He's doing that stupid fucking.
What? Why are they floating in the air?
Okay, well, I just half my health just.
Watch out, yo. It's up to you. Damn! Nice.
No!
Uh-oh.
No!
Wait, airlight, come on. Is he not gonna fucking spawn? Oh my god! You spawned, just wait out. Okay, you're getting some items? Okay. Just watch out for those balls to come back. Yeah.
Yo, he might just do all the work for me, bitch.
Oh my god!
Yo, dude, Aeronite, calm the fuck down, dude. They're just spinning around each other. Somebody is fun.
The enemies aren't even focused on you!
Yo, W?
Okay, now they are.
Somewhat. Fuck out of here!
Oh shit.
Dude, I have one swipe. One swipe and that bitch is dead. Yo, actual. Okay, yeah, there's some actual cradles.
I just did something so magnificent that I got it.
Ooh, is that? Oh shit! Look at me, glass ears. Okay.
Oh. Oh my god.
Actually,
I don't know what you were talking about,
There's
though.
a lot of games where like some guy shits off a rooftop.
It has to be some sort of fetish. It has to be some sort of
It
fetish.
has to be. Like somebody's secret kid fetish.
Dude, I own fucking poop in my soup. It's awesome.
I used to watch that shit.
Okay, it's Crystal.
Ooh.
That was my kind of lip rock. Yo, let's do this together.
I already did it.
Let's do this as a team.
Just kidding, I didn't do it. Whoa.
Arm.
You guys need help?
No, we're good.
I think you guys need help. I'll be down there. Yo, guys, look to your right. Do you see me?
Yo, Brad's presence just made them all kill themselves. Brad, you want to know what?
They knew I was coming.
Actually just made them like kill themselves.
Damn,
That was that scary.
JWL.
Oh, yeah, that
He's
is
actually
hard.
our rescue baby. He might just be the mercy gift where it's just like
Yeah,
flying down.
Welcome
Oh.
to my shop.
Oh wait. Oh, I just gave more. Okay, that's okay. I got the.
Oh
right
my
time.
god. Wait, Nyan, come over here. Dude, my character is actually geeking right now. Look how much he's
Geeking.
Damn, what the fuck you tweaking, bro? Calm down.
No, he's like. Okay, I know like Void Fiend like twitches, but he doesn't twitch that fast, does he?
Yeah, your void items are doing something to him.
Yeah, can we just do this? Get the fuck out.
Oh my god, that is a bunch of crabs.
That is a lot of crap. What the hell?
Oh my god.
There goes my frames.
What the fuck? Dude, I just saw rainbows. I just saw rainbows. I'm not even kidding.
My lord.
Wow, that is a
monster over
unit.
there.
And there's two of them. There's two of them.
Where's two? Why is my screen red?
I have no idea.
Why are they red?
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
What the fuck?
What is going on?
Why is my screen getting red? What the fuck?
Another clay dude. Oh, there is a whole bunch of clay dudes. And they all just exploded.
Massacred. What the fuck is back up? My bad.
Bro, summon scavengers. Bro, summon scavengers. Who needs help? Oh my god.
Oh, never mind. That was overloading worm.
I think there's two of them.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
there is.
Oh my god, he's being
Did
respawned.
he actually say that?
Yo, the scavenger is activating radar right now?
He has radar scanner?
Yeah.
I think he actually did.
He activated twice. Yeah.
Oh my god, those jellyfishes died instantly. Holy shit. Wow.
Just fight like a bunch of bosses, by the way.
Get ready.
Oh. Okay.
Okay,
And they're all dead.
They're all dead. Genesis,
I'm taking all this.
damn you!
I'm sorry.
There's some change, guys.
Spare
What's
change.
there?
Shut up. You're about to talk. You're the guy with like 600 items.
Spare change.
Yo, find the ore. Oh my god.
You have 17! You have 17 red whips. You do not need any more.
Oh my god. I'm permanently in my geeking mode.
Yo, W?
Oh my god!
Give me
Y'all
the
need to
fuck
chill
out of there.
out! Y'all need to chill out!
My bad, guys.
Yo, my bad, bro. My bad. I didn't mean it.
My bad, guys. I accidentally hit M1.
And there's still fucking 12. Oh, because there's a second voice. Oh my god. Did you guys just hear how many fucking Malachite just spawned in? Uh oh, what the fuck? What are these guys? you activate it? And they're done.
Okay. Up.
Yo, it's regen.
Yo, let's go.
I don't know what's going on.
Corpses.
Yeah, thank God I have corpses off, dude. I don't even want to imagine what it looks like on my with my
I
shitty
don't have
ass.
corpses off. I just have like a very it's just very limited. Dude.
What the fuck is he? What in the Glamrock Freddy are you talking about?
You did not to say that.
You're not a little rock star right now.
Hey, don't tell me, was that little like bottom part of that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Why? Oh my God! No!
What's missing out on the items?
No! Oh, thank God! What if you missed it? I love you, whoever missed it.
Oh
What
my
was it?
God! Oh
I
my
love you,
God!
whoever
What
missed
the fuck
it.
is your luck? What the fuck is your luck?
Thank you!
I thought we were doing good. Crash first again.
Oh my God. Rat actually just found like so many good items.
Yay! Dude, you have no clue how fucking happy I am right now.
You're.
Yeah.
Celestials don't happen after a loop. Oh, except for only.
I mean, Celestial, not Celestial.
You can't get Celestial right now.
I have gloves on me.
I'll try to help.
Oh my God! I am
That's
getting my
actually-
ass beat right now.
Nine.
Hi, I'm running. There's so many beds.
Oh!
Yo, I think that might need a little help.
Yo, you guys, are you sure you guys don't want to just reset? We still got like 16 monsters to go, you know. And the void
Who
reaper's
doesn't
coming
stop for anybody.
out. 9, I would get out of there.
I don't have any sort of. I mean, oh my God! You're getting bombarded. Okay, no, we're working as a team. We're working as a team.
Yeah. It's like the Avengers.
Gomen, あまない。俺は今、お前のために怒ってない。誰も憎んじゃいない。順転と反転、それぞれの無限を衝突させることで生成される仮想の質量を押し出す。挙式、紫。
Why my game dropped to like 9 FPS? What'd you do?
My bad.
Print screen?
What? Oh, no! Finally, fuck you! Why would you do that?
Oh my God.
Oh, that's right, 2 of them spawned.
Yeah,
shit.
guys, we're so done for. It's so over. It's over.
Half the health bar.
Dude, I have to get up and close in person to what's this.
How bad will be legendary?
Legendary.
Oh shit! We have to go to the other one before
Oh, we're gonna have to do that. Oh, okay, thank God. Okay. This game isn't at. Oh, Lord. No. Game.
How many rockets?
Oh my God. Cool. Actually, no. 9, this is you with your fucking pocket ICBM, dude.
It's not even pocket.
I have pocket
by the way.
ICBM.
It's not even pocket ICBM. It's just regular ATG.
Okay, who is the guy on Artificer?
Me.
Okay, who's the guy on Medic?
Well, I'm ready. Yes.
Locked in. I'm locked in, game. Straight, I'm locked in.
Why am I still fucking Lumiere? What? Hello?
Oh, you are.
Oh, can I heal you?
Hello?
Ah!
What
the Vito's doing the default dance!
You guys see the Vito doing the default dance?
What the fuck? What the fuck is that? Why are they doing the default dance?
Yeah, I think Rat's haunted.
Why are they doing that?
Do that!
Oh, yeah, I'm finally in. What the hell? I hear some trap.
Stop!
Ready.
Let me turn it.
What button is that?
Can you move?
What you guys do?
Yo, take me to victory! Take me to victory! What the
To victory!
To victory! It's so fucking stupid.
Y'all are making me look like a pig.
Come on.
Yeah, you wanna get inside the tank with me?
Yeah, I can totally use my ability. Oh, we died! No! Oh. Yo! You doing
the torture dance!
Yeah, you doing it!
What the fuck?
What is this?
I can't with this dude. I can't fucking see with Arthur Fisher do the torture dance. Oh shit, Genesis. Oh.
I'm done anymore.
This thing looks like Roblox.
Roblox.
Greedy. I expected your arrival. Let's like line up like really badass. Come on, where's 9? Come on, go step inside. Come on, go right here.
Guys.
Come on, yeah, come on. We gotta look badass. We gotta look at mythic. Can I be in the middle because I'm the biggest?
We'll have a buddy. Okay.
I'm coming for him.
Bro, so fast.
Yo, you're here. See me right behind him. Do you see me? Do you see me?
Bro, we look so badass.
He can't get out. He can't get out. My turrets are putting him into a permanent black hole.
You know, I also have tents of bobble, right?
Yeah.
It's a mix of me and you.
Yeah.
Don't discredit me.
I wasn't dying.
Yo, he ain't ready for what's about to happen to him. Mythics, you ain't ready, man. You ain't built for this.
Dude, 400 stacks of bleed.